जय श्री माता जी। उपस्थित सभी साधकों का हम स्वागत करते हैं। सामूहिक ध्यान की शुरुआत हम सामूहिकता में कुंडलिनी चढ़ाकर बंधन लेकर करेंगे। सामूहिकता में 3 महामंत्र और उसके बाद श्री गणेश मंत्र का पठन करेंगे।
त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती मा
सामूहिक चित्त को केंद्रित करेंगे सहस्त्रार पर। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी कृपावंत होकर हमें निर्विचार अवस्था प्रदान कीजिए। इसी निर्विचार अवस्था में हम श्री माता जी की अमृतवाणी को ग्रहण करेंगे।
It's very nice to see all of you here, so many of you from Australia, to worship Shiva, Sadashiva. I think this is a very important occasion. It's important because the God Almighty, who is one, is expressed on your heart. We have to understand people came on this earth at different times in countries. Righteousness, that is dharma. How to elevate yourself. And all of them have said, be born, to become the spirit. They have all such a same thing, because they knew without attention is filled with the light of the spirit, you will to understand spirituality. You have the spirit within you, which is all the time in a witness state. Why all the religions have failed? Because they did not get their self-realization. They did not become the spirit. So there's a tremendous difference between you and all others who profess something. It looks as if they're hypocrites. They intellectualize it, as you know. They explain it very well. But you can see very clearly that they haven't absorbed spirituality. That absorption was impossible without self-realization. This everybody felt. Buddha went to this limit and Mahavira both to say that forget about God. Forget about God Almighty. You just get your self-realization. So they are called as atheists, Niriksharvadi. They don't believe in Ishvara. But they felt that the way people are just talking about God Almighty and what the books have said. These books also speak of righteousness, except in some books there has been some sort of interference. But most of them speak of spirituality and what you have to achieve. What is the purpose of religion? all that is spoken very well, written very well. They'll tell you, you have to be this, you have to be that. This is not good, that is not good. So even the first step where the dharma has to be established was not established. Where people are not supposed to cheat each other. There has to be justice. There has to be collectivity. There has to be love and understanding. No jealousies, no hypocrisy. Where it's a different race, a different community, we can call it a different civilization, is to be created. Everybody claims that they are the chosen ones, but they are just the same. There's a tremendous achievement of Sahajogis that they have achieved the state of spirit. So now you can absorb dharma without any difficulties. Without any difficulty. You would not like to cheat anyone. You would not like to kill anyone. You would not like to be violent with anyone. You will stick on to the truth. The truth, very few people can stick on to the truth. Then you are not people who are going to rob others. You have no intention at all. Doesn't come into your mind that you are tempted to take away things from others. First of all, which is the most important thing, that you have a rapport with God Almighty. That you are, in a way, in awe about God. There is awe, not, I would say, fear, because fear is all dispelled. There's no more fear for you. But you have awe for God, that is God Almighty. You won't cheat people, you won't cheat Sahajoga for money. You won't fight for power or for something that is material. All your attention will be towards the expansion of your awareness in the light of the Spirit. This is the vision of your mother. Because Shiva is just a witness. Sadashiva is just witnessing all this play. He doesn't have any visions about it. But now he must have lots of hopes after seeing the kind of people that are created out of surgery. Very unique, very beautiful, wonderful angel-like people have been created. Now, only problem is that you have to keep to your angelic foundations. But I find that sometimes it happens, doesn't matter, that you fall and falter. Again you rise into your awareness and try to locate the new dimensions that are available to you, that you can find out. All this is possible because now you belong really to the chosen one's race. You must know also that you are very special people. It is not realized sometimes by Sahajogis. They have no self-esteem as to what they have got. Once you have self-esteem, you will have the wisdom to understand what is your role in this lifetime. This self-esteem is only possible if you see other people who are lost in the mire of nonsense. Now, you are a special community, I said. You are the one who are going to create that great community. Now, whatever are the dharmas